Presenting a pre-owned 2009 Chevrolet Silverado 1500. This two-door truck has a 6-cylinder, 4.3-liter V6 engine, with 4-wheel drive, and an automatic transmission. This Chevrolet has less than 117,000 miles on the odometer. Estimated fuel economy for this vehicle is 14 miles per gallon in the city, and 18 miles per gallon on the highway. This vehicle is in excellent overall condition. Key features include power door locks, power windows, cruise control, MP3 player, Sirius satellite radio, anti-lock brakes, power steering, and OnStar.